This Math SAT Level 1 video from mathondvd.com and mathstutor.biz is one of 150 tutorial videos in this 3-test set. The set has 3 DVDs, each with almost 2 hours of video time, and 3 test papers, each of the test papers with 50 questions. For details and more free videos, please visit Math on DVD or mathstutor.biz. Math SATs Level 1, question 37. This expression equals which of these numbers? Now the key to this question is recognizing this piece of information, and that's actually called an identity, and it's known as a fact that that equals 1. Now if you recognize that, then you're in business. If you don't recognize that, then you could experiment with the calculator by using any angle you like as x, 75, and do bracket sine 75 close bracket squared, making sure it's in degree mode by the way, plus open brackets cosine 75 squared close brackets. That's working this out by putting 75 in there, and you'll see that'll come to not 1. What on earth did I do wrong? Let's try that again. I'm beginning to panic now, but don't tell anybody. Open brackets. The sine of 75 degrees, it is in degree mode, yep, squared, plus, open brackets, the cosine of the same angle. It doesn't matter what the angle is. I picked 75 just because I felt like it. It came to 1. Well, I don't know what I typed in just now, but that's correct. What I've tried to show you is that the sine of any number squared plus the cosine of any number squared is 1. I've just done it on the calculator to show it, but it's something you're meant to know. Let's pretend I didn't make a mistake with the calculator and not tell anybody. So instead of that, we can now write down that 1 minus 4 raised to the power 4 equals. So what's 1 raised to the power, what's 1 minus 4? That's minus 3, isn't it? So in other words, we've got minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3, which you can do with the calculator, but I've just exposed my slips with the calculator, so I'll go minus times the minus is a plus, plus times the minus is a minus, minus times the, that'll give it a plus, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s 27, 27 3s are 81. If I type that into the calculator correctly, I should get 81. Shall I try it? Gosh, this is a bit of a gamble. Negative 3 raised to the power 4 equals. I've got minus 81. Oh dear. Let's try something else. Let's go open brackets, negative 3, close brackets, raised to the power 4 equals. I think I've just illustrated how careful you have to be with a calculator, especially in an exam, under exam conditions. So when you use a calculator in an exam, make sure it's your own calculator, make sure you're used to it, and preferably do it more than one way and get the same answer and feel happy. Well, that was a pretty, well, I don't know what sort of question that was, but I got there in the end. Question 37, answer A. More details of the available DVDs from mathondvd.com.